Hey guys, it's me again. I'm back with another brand new video for you guys only. And of course, this time we are going to be talking about Fayoko and actually specifically Yoko, right? And what about her? I don't know if you guys know this or not, but just before few hours, Yoko actually went live on the TikTok. Yeah, she went live on the TikTok and kind of stayed there for a few minutes and did a loads of stuff, talked with, interacted with loads of fans and everything. Let me show you guys some picture from the live. All right, have a look. All right, wow. One thing I can say that Yoko is looking super duper, you know, beautiful. She's so pretty. I mean, what can I say? But now, guys, hold your breath because now I am going to announce you some kind of bad news, you can say. Yeah. If you guys already don't know this, allow me to say it. So Yoko went live on the TikTok and guess what she said? She said, of course, it's directed to us, and it was kind of meant for the whole fandom. She said, and I quote, she said that she has moved on. We should move on to. You guys know what she meant, right? Yeah.
I'm done.
Okay.
It's over now,
Right.
so just move on.
Yeah, guys, now you can understand the whole meaning of it. Try to read between the lines. So she's basically saying to, move on from Fayeyoko, first of all. And second thing, of course, she is insisting, she is saying to stop the boycott. Yeah. This is as per my assumption and my analysis, of course. I mean, we all know what she meant, right? We are not some kind of kids here. She really said, please move on. She has moved on too. We should move on as well. Wow, wow, and wow. It's so easy, right? It's so easy to say, but it's not that much easy to do. First of all, I want to make one thing more clear here. I really think Nine Star Studios is making her do that. That's it. Just I mean, look at the few couple of weeks and couple of days. Yoko has been so inactive on her social every platform, whether it's IG, Weibo, Twitter, and now TikTok. She was super duper inactive, and we were so suspicious about it, right? I mean, come on, it's our Yoko. She used to be, interacted with fans. She actually used to interact with fans here and there, maybe, being playful with fans like that. But in the recent time, after the boycotting started and the whole movement started, she was being kinda inactive. But wait, did you guys forget the incident of the TikTok that she actually liked a TikTok where Nine Star got exposed? Yeah. And after that, she kind of became super duper active on social media. She was posting on Weibo, on the Twitter as well, just a day ago. Now Twitter, now it's TikTok. She went live at the TikTok on the TikTok. So yeah, I am pretty much sure Nine Star Studios is making her do all of this, and they are actually making Yoko say all of this, right? I mean, I'm not gonna say this is Yoko's fault 100%. You guys know. She is just a pawn in this game. It feels so horrible how Nanster Studios actually using her like that. So pathetically. Why I'm saying this? Because right now Yoko is getting so much hatred on Twitter. So much hatred. I mean, people are mad about it. Our whole fandom is mad about it. How could Yoko say something like that so simply? Like, move on, it's nothing else. Like, we have been not rooting for them. Wow. How can we? And this fast? No. So, everyone, I wouldn't say everyone, a lot of people are super mad about it. And they are spreading loads of hatred towards Yoko. And basically, they are saying that they are not gonna stand Yoko anymore, or they are not gonna be fan of Yoko anymore as long as she stays in Nine Star, basically. So that's that. I'm here to tell you guys this: Yoko doesn't deserve this hatred she is getting. Right? Of course, she doesn't deserve it. I'm not saying that she is a kid and blah blah blah. I'm not saying all of this. I'm not defending her. But see, as a lots of things are happening, please try to use your vision, use your brain. The Yoko we used to know, this is not her anymore. And she has lost all of the sparkle on her eyes. I mean, the TikTok, wow. And yeah, I'm pretty much sure Nine State Studios actually making her do this. They told Yoko to say all of this so that we would listen to her and we would stop our movement somehow. Yeah, I don't think this is happening anytime soon. This is happening anytime soon, I don't think so, because fans are super duper mad right now. I don't think Yoko can stop this. I don't think so. Nine Star, you evil company, you cannot make us stop this time. After all of this dirty little game you played with your artist and your whole fandom as well, I don't think so. There is any escape there. Yeah, the clock is ticking. Tick, tick, tick. So, yeah. Anyway, guys, so what's your thoughts on this? I wanna know what you are feeling after, watching Yoko's TikTok live. I mean, allow me to say this. Actually, Yoko didn't get that much view on her TikTok because a lot of people totally stopped, giving any engagement to Yoko as she is part of Ninth State Studios right now. So yeah, they are refraining from, giving any views, any engagement to Yoko as well. Yeah, that's that. So I wanna know what's your thought on this? What's your take on this? What's your thoughts on the whole matter? Let me know in the comment section below, of course. I will be waiting for your comment. Alright? Yeah, let's see. Let's see. Let me show you guys few posts from our fandom regarding this matter, alright? Have a look. Okay. Right. Okay. Yeah. Right. Okay. Yes. Mm, yes. Okay. Right. Okay. All right. Hope you guys have seen everything carefully. So yeah, this was all it for today's video, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and do like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hopefully I'll see you guys soon, very very soon. Till then, take care and keep smiling. Yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys soon, very very soon. All right. Bye.